Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cat Sorter VR. So let's jump in and see. You can play either 270 layout or 360 layout. So let's go for the 360 layout. So that means, oh snap! Look at all this stuff. Whoa! Is this a cat or an elephant? Okay, so what do? Touch a P you wish to remove with the wand and press and hold the top notch pad button. Where is the wand? I guess, oh, this is the wand, okay. Alright. Look at that, that's gross. Where's my trash can at? We need some nose for the cat. Alright, so boom. Get more time for each hood cat. Time is reduced. Okay, never mind. Press the blah 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 with the back trigger button to change difficulty. Yes, cat. Cat scanner. Press the up or down arrow button with the back trigger to change game height. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's perfect height. Your score multiplier grow for each consecutively good cat. A bad cat or a drop cat breaks the streaks. Okay. Start shifts. Alright, buddy. Come on over. What's wrong with you? I don't know. It looks fine to me. Your eye doesn't look too good here. Oh god. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad, my bad. Oh, he's got a defected leg. What's a leg? What the heck is that? It's anus or something? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm not supposed to take that out. My cat looks good. He looks good. A defective eye. Come on. Oh god, he got an octopus legs. Need a good tail for him. Jeez. Defected eye. Was an eye. What's wrong with you, my friend? You look good. Why do we have a frog leg there? But you look good. Evidently not. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Is there a butt? Well, I'm doing terrible. Ears? Why you have rabbits here? They look good enough. Are they singing the cat song? Okay, so how do we do? I know we didn't do a good job because there's so many things. Oh, we get to put our scores in. V. Enter. Let's start again. 3 minutes. Alright, we'll do better this time. We gotta get better as we go. I ain't got time for that. Let's look at this guy. Nope, we need the eye. We need a butt. It looks good. Alright, this guy's got a rabbit ear. Is that a good butt? Oh wait, why did he have an eye for a butt? That's ridiculous. You don't need no halo. Wait, I don't need that. You need an ear. As much as I like the wings, but the game doesn't like you to have wings, my friend. Wait, why they messed up? I need ears. Oh, well, that's easy. Stop moving. What's wrong with this cat? Looks good. You got a little crooked like that, buddy. You need a butt too. Oops, come on. Why you have a blue butt? I'm getting a little backed up here. Eyes. Hey, just trying to help you out, buddy. Oh my god, why do you have eye for butt? So Great Bay. What am I missing? Oh, a leg. It looks fine. I guess not. Oh boy. Wow, you got some paws for your eyes. Oh no! We did a whole lot better this time, man. 19,045. Woo! Way better. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the type of game here. You just, it's kind of fun. You just beat your own high score. Can we? Okay. Alright, this phone doesn't work, guys. You are doing the kind of good. Yeah, this game is I would say it's okay. Once you get kind of good at it, you probably can get a whole lot more points. But I don't see anything, you know. I don't see it being much more stuff you can definitely add to the game to make it better. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I don't want to make this video for too long, but you guys get the concept. It's just picking up kittens. For those of you who love kittens, this is a great game for you. But it might ruin cats for you, especially you see an eye for a butt. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next game. Take good care.